Everybody. Oh my gosh, barely got it going there. All right, here we go. I'm sorry for being late. I'm like, oh my god, I'm like 5 minutes late. Sorry, boys. Anyways, we have we're about to get the flip. We're about to get the bearish flip in the 5 minute here on the SAR, which is not what you want to see. Obviously, I don't think there's any news that we missed until we. I did get an AMC position. I'm in AMC. We're in AMC, boys. We got a lottery. The lottery ticket is in. I got the one share. The lotto ticket is in for AMC. And let me check the markets. I have not even checked anything since we last been on here. Really, UVXY is down 10%. Look at the Russell. Look at this. Look at this. Up 2% right now. The Russell's up 2% and Bionano is down. Isn't that the strangest thing that you've seen all week long? I mean, I guess it's the start of the week, but still, I mean, this is insanity. You got STEM down 6%, Tattoo Chef getting killed, Nano Dimension getting killed. Microvision's kicking ass. Okay, that one's doing nice. We're about to be 3 out of 4 on our trades. Well, I guess not really because it's only up. What are we up? We're only up, well, we're up 4%. Okay, you can't complain, but, you know, the other ones were like 10, 20%. But we're about to be 3 out of 4 on our live trades. We took that one. We bought Microvision last Friday. Yeah, Friday, in the after hours. Yeah, but this is just insanity. It's still insanity. If you look at the volume for Bionano right now, you're up a little bit. Not really, though. I mean, the volume today is not even, I mean, it's bad. It's not, don't get me wrong, it's definitely bad. You know it's bad, okay? It's always bad. But I want to look at some news here and see if there's anything else that we have short interest data. Last I checked, okay. So for Bionano, you're looking at 49 million almost. You're up on the day. Okay, this is as simple as it gets. Okay, stock goes down 6%, short interest is up. What does that tell you? Tells you their shorts are arrogant and they, well, I mean, I guess they technically could be right? I mean, I guess technically, right? But unless this goes way lower, they're going to have to cover when we're going up, right? If we do go up from here, they're going to have to. And I think that's just more reason to believe that there's some bullish stuff coming. If we go green these next few days, the likelihood of continuing to go green is high because of what we've seen with the short interest going insanely higher. I think that's pretty objectively true, right? So yeah, Bionano's getting killed today. We're down, what, 6%, right? 6%. Yeah, down 5.5%, 720 right now. And the goal for today, let me see if it changed at all. Not that. That's AMC. This we do not want AMC. 697. That's where I've got my buy order or limit order in here. For, and we need to hold above that. Okay, if we don't hold above that, it's pretty much. I mean, I'm still obviously gonna hold and just wait to buy. I'm just gonna be buying more on the dip. But you know, if we do break that, I mean, there's no other way to say, okay, that's not a good sign, right? That's not a good sign at all. Right now, I mean, it's fine that we're gonna. I mean, if we close the day right now, 710, 720, whatever, it's still technically a hammer candle. But I would be scared if we don't start getting a bounce in these next few days, especially tomorrow, because we just hit the 21 SMA, and yes, we got a nice quick bounce off of it and to the upside, and we are forming a hammer candle. But I would really like to see if we can actually start making some higher highs after we. Well, right now, really, because we already have bounced off of it, and that's what you need. That's what we want. Here, can I find an example? Here, let's look at Microvision, see if there's any good examples here. Okay, here you go. Perfect example. All right, so after you break above the 21 SMA, right, you want to come back to it, and then you want to start making higher highs. Exactly like Microvision did, just continuing to bounce off of it as support, right? If I zoom in here, you can actually see what I'm talking about. Okay, boom, there's a touch point. Boom, there's another one. There's another one. All right, and then there's almost one right there. That's textbook, right? That's exactly what you want. And that's hopefully what we're going to see with Bionano. And I think if the markets go up these next few days and this week, it's going to happen. In my mind, it's going to happen. I'm very surprised. I guess technically this isn't really peculiar to Bionano that we're down today because, you know, all of high growth, like most of high growth is down today. God, CTXR is up 12%. Oh, man. That's beauty. Oxygen's doing well, too. GameStop's getting killed. AMC's getting killed as well, right? AMC's down 6%. SENS getting killed as well. Wish and T and Torch. Wish and Torchlight leading the pack. Man. Does anyone know why Bionano is getting hit disproportionately? I don't think there is a reason for it, okay? If there was one, we would probably know. But yeah, this is crazy. This is the end. Brandon stock is over. The channel's done. BNGO stock is the end. What should I title it? Give me some good titles in the chat. I'll make the title that. 10,000 shares just bought 719 at the ask, helping the price to go higher. Screwing the shorts, trying to burn the shorts, right? What's the word on Wish? Seeing a lot of chatter. I don't know, my friends. I don't know. What are the 4 picks for this week? I'll tell you my picks for this week. AMC. Not really. Yeah, no, not really. Actually, not really. But if AMC comes down to 43, then I'll take up a real position. Right now we only have one share, just for the hell of it, just for the cause. If we come down to 43 here, I'll do a fair amount of shares. Yeah, I will. But Microvision is the other one. Microvision is the one. This is textbook. Okay, this is beauty right here. It's so easy to do this. I don't know why no one else does this. I guess there's some people that do. But after you go up a lot, right? Here, let me try that again. After you go up a lot, right? You come back down, and then after you hit this, right on the retracement there, that's your buy point. And then what do? Right? You start forming higher highs, and you go back, and then you eventually break the high. And there you go. It's that simple, right? And that's literally what we've done with Microvision. And I don't know when I'm going to take profit on this. I have no idea, but yeah, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Right now we're up like 4% right now. Yeah, but Bionano did just get the flip to bearish on the 5-minute right when we come in, right when we start streaming. Boom, down. Oh, look, we just got another 14,000 shares added. Stock goes down again. It's look, shares being bought at 718. At 718, and we go down 1 or 2 cents. And the freaking this thing shows that there's no imbalance. That's bullshit. That is bull. I'm calling it right now. Absolutely bull. I love BNGO, but it's overvalued $2 billion for a company that makes no profits. The day they start printing, sky is the limit. But now with the something, it will be hard. All right, so here I can tell you're a new viewer here. That's absolutely fine. I love new viewers. So the fact is, my friend, I appreciate that. I appreciate your opinion, but I respectfully disagree extremely strongly, and here's why. If you know a company is going to make huge revenue increases next year, 5 years, because of product release, commercial release, nanonauts, for example, Sapphire 2.0, higher volumes, market penetration, and prenatal, all this other shit, it's valued a little bit with the future revenue priced in. And if you know about the revenue projections, if you even know about the analyst projections, Bionano will be a $50 stock in a few years or 5 years max, right? It's okay. There's no way we're not going to with the revenue if the revenue projections are right. I'm assuming. Okay, so no, that's absolutely insane. Also, yeah, no, it's not overvalued though. Absolutely not. No, not in my opinion. Here, and we're actually undervalued because of about 1,000 reasons. But number one reason, most simply, is probably because the Sapphire is better than all of its competition in what it does. And I don't know the exact number. I wish I did. I don't think anyone in the world knows this. But if you know why Sapphire is better than karyotyping, CMA, fish, right, the usual spiel, literally labs and institutions are losing money by not using the Sapphire. So once they switch over, you know what's going to happen. Once the Sapphire 2.0 comes out, higher volume, higher consumable revenue. Once the nano nozzle comes out, then we're not even a complementary technology by any stretch of the imagination, and we start replacing Illumina and PacBio's market share, and then it's over. I mean, we're talking about filling in the gaps of what NGS currently misses. That's what the nano nozzle is maybe going to do. We're talking about single base pair detection, SNV detection, man. So, of course, I'm not a geneticist, I'm not a doctor, but to my understanding, we're undervalued. So, I do have to do that spiel every once in a while because we get new viewers all the time. I guess he's not a new viewer, but that's weird that he says that then. That's weird. All right, panic losing money like crazy. OMG, this is going to zero. Get out, save yourself. Are you making fun of the Bears? I hope you're not seriously saying that because that's funny if you are. This is going to zero. Get out, save yourself. 2 billion is nothing. They're gonna make $1 billion end of next year. Okay, next year is probably not, but we are projected to make $1 billion in profit. It's gonna be a little bit. It's gonna be more than 5 years, but before probably like 2029, 2028 maybe, or at the latest 2030, $1 billion in profit is actually what we're projected. Yeah, by the base case DCF 2.0 model by Radneros. So. And once that happens, Kate, we're not even profitable right now. I mean, if that's right, we're all going to be. I mean, if you have a lot of shares, you're going to be very well off. All right. Barely made 20 million. Right now, we're making. Last year, we only made 10 million. Last year, we made 10 million in revenue, and we lost about 30, 40 million overall. Is that it? I don't know, something like that. Yeah. But yeah, if the revenue estimates are right, Bionano will It's done, and they're not even factoring in so many things, I think. But we'll see. We'll see. Anything can happen. About what is that? 15 to 20,000 shares just bought at 720 at the ask. It should be helping the price go higher, right? It's green. That's what it means when these orders are green, right? Technically, they're not buys, right? Remember, there's a buy or sell or every transaction, but technically, they should be helping the price go higher, to my understanding. Okay, there we go. We went up 1 cent because of that. We're just barcoding. Let's be honest, we're just barcoding. It's just boring. We got what, 30 minutes to the close. Hopefully there's something hopefully there's something cool that happens here. I'm still very optimistic for this week. I'm very optimistic. I'm cautiously optimistic for this week. So, oh yeah, by the way, look at that freaking wall here. Look at that beauty. Look at that. We got, what is that? 85, 80, 90K shares to be bought at $7 and $6.99. Hell yeah, and you know what? Okay, some of those could be fake, but I bet most of those are not fake. Just bought 143 shares. Good clickbait, Brandon. Saying BNGO is going to zero, like saying Mythical Physics $7 put was a good idea. Come on, man. I hope you're joking. Here, I'll go ahead and change the title. Some people get pissed off when I make titles with question marks in them, so I'll go ahead and change it to what should we change it to? What should we change it to? BNGO YOLOing? I don't know. Somebody tell me what to title it. I've added another 100. Legend. People selling again because we have a red day. Oh my, I know. It's insane. Like, you can tell in the chat right now. You can tell in the chat the sentiment towards BNGO is so worse than what it was last week. You can just tell. And that's what it's whatever. It's my fault that I get pissed off so easily, but it really is. I mean, you can understand why I get mad when people are complaining that we're going down here if you're with the channel. I mean, you guys know the spiel. If you bought the dip, you like me, okay? I'm not bragging, okay, but if you have a low cost average, your portfolio's up like huge numbers, okay? I'm down like $1,000 on the day, right? If you zoom out though, the Bears. I'm sorry. This is. Oh my God! The money is important, of course, but the percentage is what's important, because the Bears can only dream of pulling this if they're actually long-term bears on BNGO. Because you can't. I mean, just look at the chart. If you're a long-term bear on this thing and you've been shorting left and right, you are screwed, man. And that's why they're so desperate in the chat here, telling you, oh, whatever the hell. I don't even know what the hell they're saying. So You have to zoom out, and you have to realize that every red day there's gonna be people that are like, that are trying to take advantage of it and trying to use it to their benefit, which is, if they have a short position, they want you to fucking sell. They want to spread that FUD. That's as simple as it gets. I have to remember that. You have to. And if you're a newbie here, I understand why you're kind of worrying, right? You're like, oh no, I didn't do enough research. I kind of just went in because I trusted this guy. Maybe he's wrong. I don't know. What should I do? That's why I always say, do your damn research and sell if you don't know what you're doing, right? And I meant it. And right now, hopefully all the new people, I know there's new people, although they don't say it, there's new people to the market, new people to BNGO. You better understand what you're doing, and you better understand the company and the tech. Otherwise, you don't have much of a shot at making money. I mean, you could get lucky, but you need to just understand the Sapphire. Just understand the Sapphire, and all the resources are on the channel, right? They all are. So, I mean, at least most of them. Okay, do your own research, though, of course. Brandon, do you think the Nasdaq is looking good? Well, let me see how close we are to all-time highs. We're probably we're pretty damn close right now. I really do like that we're holding up, and you guys know I say this every time, right? The longer, and the more often you touch a level of resistance, right? The more touch points it has, the more likely it is to break, right? And we've touched this level. We've touched 14,200. What, 1, 2? It depends on if you want to count 14,179 as a touch point, but 3 to 5 times, okay? And every single day that we stay up here, this is kind of they won't. I bet you won't hear this anywhere else, but a lot of times I think, in my experience, right, when you go up here, you get rejected, and then you start going sideways for a little while. That means you're about to break through, okay? And this is why, okay? When you get rejected and it's a strong supply level and a strong sell level, right? A lot of resistance, you get rejected and you're free falling until you find nice support. Right now, the bulls are on that cusp of breaking this, okay? And once they do, it's lights out. I mean, the bears, they're done, okay? You're not going to see the bears on this channel again for a little while if we do break above all-time highs and confirm the breakout. I think I could be wrong on that. right? I said yesterday, and I was wrong on this. I was completely wrong on this. Yesterday, I said, well, I guess technically not really, but basically I was. I said in the video, if the markets go up next week, we're gonna do very well. Like I said, I think I've said there was a very high chance of that happening, and that is exactly what did not happen today, right? I mean, the markets are doing amazing today, yet Bionano is getting killed. And the only thing in my defense that I could say, which I'm not making the case for, like today I've been totally wrong, pretty much. Yeah, pretty much I've been totally wrong today. I mean, it's only the first day of the week, but yeah, right now, totally, I mean, I've been pretty much wrong. But basically, high growth is getting decimated. So that's my only... I mean, it's not like Bionano is the only stock that's red, you know? I mean, just look around here, right? AMC, even, SENS, Clover, Nano Dimension. I mean, there's a lot of shit that's getting killed. CTXR up 13%. It's madness. It's madness. Look at the volume in this thing. Kicking Bionano's ass, man. Oh, man. 722 right now, down about 5.25%. Yeah, we will suffer together. Either we will reap the rewards together and make fun of the bears, or suffer together, suffer the corners together. Yeah, it is manipulation. Yeah, I mean, we saw how else do you explain going from? I mean, we've been watching the price action on the 5-minute chart for a long time. You don't see a stock go from $7.30 or $7.20 to $6.93 in a millisecond without a ton of orders coming in. And we saw that. And it's like, well, how do you explain that? Manipulation is one that would make absolute perfect sense with the trajectory and the historical stock price and price action. So yeah, but at the end of the day, short-term movements do not matter. Remember that. Short-term movements, if we go back down to 430K now, I think there's probably like a 1% chance, maybe like a 3% chance that we see 430 again. I would say, I would say, I mean, it would take a crazy correction to see that again. Even if we do go down to that, the long term, as long as we're fundamentally better than we've ever been before, or really close to it at that time, it's just a buy point in my mind. That's as simple as it is. That's as simple as it gets. All right. Question: do market orders appear on the time and sales? I think it depends. It's very sometimes I don't. Sometimes, to be honest with you, I don't trust the time and sales sometimes, but it's the best we're working with. So, remember we had 1 million sold at market close on Friday. Yeah, we had like what was it, like 3.5 million, or what was it? I forgot exactly what it was. I don't know. High growth, high volatility. Yeah, that's damn sure. Whoa, we've got buying. Look at that. We got sporadic buying and the price goes up one. It's such a delayed reaction. Do you guys see that? Oh, man. Oh, are we going to the moon this week or what? I wish. Do y'all want me to title it something different? By the way, do you guys get pissed off when I make titles that are not like exclusively super bullish? But I know the OGs are not like, insane like that. But do the rest of y'all get annoyed when I do that? Give me a title for it, and I'll change the title of it right now if you want. I'll do a Star Wars reference stream, whatever. Lord of the Rings, making lower lows. No, not really. We haven't tested intraday low in a while. All right. I just don't put those crazy posts because people... What? As an OG, I don't like the title. It's just the end. Okay. I'll do... what is it? What should we do? The end to fatal. Yeah, well, that's true. I'm trying to get the view. Hey, I got this. I've tried everything to get viewers. I don't know what else to do. Wait, what is this? There was a farmer who had a dog. I'm gonna do what should we do? I'm gonna say BNGO stock. Lord of the Rings is better than Star Wars. I'm serious. You guys think I'm joking? All right. Is there any news today? Of course. Is there any news that we missed? No, I'm sure there's not. If there is any news, they always whoa. Beijing-based Berry Oncology subsidiary of Berry Genomics heating up. Yeah, these guys. Did you all see the post about Barry Genomics maybe acquiring Bionano? Did you all see that on Reddit? That was an interesting one. See if there's anything new here. 27 results. See if there's any more. $7.21. Let's see if I missed anything on Twitter. Nope. If anyone's just getting in right now and missed the last one for some reason, we've got this doctor presenting alpha-genome mapping on June 30th. Also, we have Russell 3000 inclusion this week. They're buying probably millions, if not tens of millions, maybe. I mean, hundreds of millions. That's insanity. Okay, I don't even think that's possible, but tens of millions is not out of the question. They're buying. That's how many shares they're going to be buying on Friday at the close. It's going to be insane. Hopefully, it's going to be more insane than last Friday because we were hyping it up. I was hyping it up for a good reason, and it turned out to be boring, anticlimactic. So, Brandon, what's your favorite type of cereal? New viewers might see the title, and it can create additional FUD. Yeah, I've heard that argument a lot. I don't know. I feel like no one. I hope no one really weighs the titles of YouTube videos with question marks that much. But I hear you, my friend. I hear you. 5 million shares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can't really see too well. If you didn't know that already. Yeah, but 5 million. So Russell inclusion, make it go $10. Yes, sir. $10. Here we come. No, I'm kidding. Please don't quote me on that. Here comes Marco, right? Brandon, you said we're going to $10. You suck. It's like, oh man. Oh man. But yeah, it's gonna be good. It's likely. I think a lot of people have been worried that it's gonna be a sell the news type event. I don't think it will. I mean, it certainly could be, but my instincts tell me that, not only are we getting one huge fund, Russell 3000, the freaking Russell 3000 index itself, but we also get all the funds that track it. And it's a publicity and exposure. So, and the market, I love the setup for Bionano right now. Even right now, okay, I shouldn't say that. God, sometimes I'm too bullish. Sometimes I have an obligation to tone myself down, right, when I think it's going to be good stuff. But we just bounced off the 21 SMA. If we can continue, if we can form some higher highs here short term, I really like our chances because I just in so many uptrends, right? I just showed you guys here. Let's look at a random example here, okay? Okay, this one has the exact same chart as Bionano. Here, let me look at something that doesn't have the exact same chart. Okay, oxygen. Okay, this doesn't look like the greatest example, but you can see the 21 SMA acting as resistance and support, but that's not the best example. Hold on, let me see if I can find something. Okay, Basically, what I'm trying to say is that once you do get that bounce, a lot of times in my experience with stocks, once you get that bounce, a 21 SMA after a large run up, that's like the buy point. That's the demand zone, and then you continue the run, right? That's what we see. That's what we see with a lot of stuff. And if we look at here, let me look at, this is the best example that popped into my mind, right? Let's look at the weekly. Now, we're looking at the daily for Bionano, but if you look at the weekly for Bitcoin here, literally it is the exact measurement and indicator as to if you're in an uptrend or downtrend, right? If you look historically, that's exactly what it is, okay? Right when you broke down here, sell signal. Right when you broke up, buy signal, right? I mean, that's as simple as it gets, okay? You could have made a lot of money off that, okay? So, and who knows? Maybe that's what Bionano is doing right now. Maybe that's what we're setting up for. Or maybe not, right? Maybe it's a fake out, okay? There's fake outs all the time, but All right. As an OG and an OG of stop videos, BNGO price prediction always gets viewers in, and if you leave it in the end, you have loads of people watching. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Yeah, I never really do that. And all right, let's try that. BNGO price prediction. Okay. let's do it. BNGO price prediction. Done. Price prediction. And for all those wondering, right, what is the actual prediction? $15 tomorrow. No, I'm kidding. But actually, I'll do this here. My bull case this week is easily $8. Okay, easily. That's conservative. $8. We could see $9. Okay, realistically, I think we could see $9 this week. Bull case. Please understand the difference between bull case, base case, and bear case. Right. Brandon will never be able to care for his hair again. I know. I can't get a haircut. It's just gonna continue to get longer. I know. This is literally gonna be on the floor one of these days. I swear. If I'm wrong about BNGO, okay, this is how you know I care about. This is how you know I actually believe what I say. Not only do I show you the portfolio, right? I've got like a lot. All the money in this account is in Bionano, right? But also, I'm not shaving until Bionano hits 10. I'm not getting a haircut until BNGO gets all-time highs. Okay, I could be looking like, I mean, I don't really want long hair. I've never had hair that goes past like here in my life. Yeah, so that that just tells you a couple things: how crazy I am, how weird I am, and how confident I am in us hitting all-time highs relatively soon, right? Oh, this is a bad idea, isn't it? This is a bad idea. Oh man. All right, let me read some comments here. I have a big interview in a couple hours. Wish me luck so I can buy more BNGO with those juicy checks. Legendary. I wish you good luck, my friend. Mark, good luck to you. Good luck to you, my friend. You're going to do it. You're going to do awesome. I don't know what the hell you're doing, but you're going to do well. And I know that because if you're a BNGO person, you're fucking awesome. The shorts, some of them, may I say, a group of team, killing a few months ago, shorted stocks. They will wait for BNGO to hit a high and short it down. They don't wait for highs. They increase. The short interest increases almost every day. Oh, perfect timing. Absolutely perfect timing. Look at this. Short interest just increased a huge amount. Okay, the update was 242. Thank you, Batform, for this. Up 1% a day now. We're up to 49.5 million. Oh my, 2 million borrowed shares on the day. They don't stop. They just don't stop. I mean, if you're going to have such risk as a short, unless you cover one of these days, I mean, you're going to get burned. You're going to get burned, and then you're going to have to cover, and then you're going to have to instigate the squeeze. Brandon be looking like so around the Cinderella soon. Yeah, probably. I'm feeling millions of shares bought at the close. Hopefully you're right. Hopefully you're right. All right. Oh man. The viewers has gone down because of the title, or maybe just because me. Probably me. We got 13 minutes till the close here. 13 minutes. Short interest is at a record high for the day. Actually, pretty much ever. This is actually at a record high in the last few months. Well, at least since mid-April. Yeah, at least since mid-April. This is the highest the short interest has gone in a long time. Do you think we're going to see more red tomorrow, huh? As prep for Russell 3000, yeah, I do. I mean, pre-anticipatory running up. Do you guys remember the days where stocks used to run up before a catalyst? Like, you could literally just look at a stock and, oh, they have a presentation coming up next week, let's buy it, and then it goes up literally like 20%. Do you guys remember the February 16 days? Literally, that's all you had to do. That's all you had to do. Nowadays, no one cares, but maybe the Russell 3000 is a big enough event where we start to see that pre-anticipatory running up again, right? And it'll be a great time to. It'd be a great time to. 719, it's a great time. What is the short borrow fee rate? It's very high. Let's see if they updated it again. Last week change was at like 4%, which is the highest I've ever seen it. Okay, looks like it just, what the heck? This makes 0 sense. This makes 0 sense. It just halved. Now it's 2%. The utilization was like super high though last I saw. That makes 0 sense. Where's the, here, look at this, okay? The utilization for Bionano is 95%. Okay, that means out of the short shares available, almost 95% of them are being utilized. All right, they're being shorted. That means basically the higher this number is, the less short shares there are, and the more short shares that have been, and the higher the demand is for short shares right now. Right, so just think of, yeah. I hope that makes sense. So I don't know why Fintel is having 2%. That's weird. It's very weird. Makes 0 sense. That makes absolutely 0 sense. Sometimes their data, sometimes they just fuck up though. I don't know. Maybe it could be a mistake, or maybe that is the real. Maybe Ortex is getting it wrong. I don't know. All right, how someone short the stock? Well, basically, the broker sells our shares like a buyer sale. They sell them and they lend them out. They sell them short, right? And then the short person, they get them, and then to buy them back, they have to buy another share back, and then they returns them, and it's kind of complicated. But basically, all you have to know, you don't have to really. It doesn't really matter how it actually works. It just matters what the function is, what it does, and what it does is this: it applies selling pressure to the stock, right? It makes it go, and you don't see unless they're covering, right? Because I guess if they're covering, it's regular shares, so you'll see them here. But unless they're covering, you don't see them. You don't see the shorting data on the level 2 data or the time it sales, right? You don't see that stuff. So, oh wow. Sporadic buying at the ask. There we go. We went up 1 cent for it. I mean, there has got to be a buy side and okay, there we go. Look at this. Okay, this is, oh my gosh, finally Webull gets it right. All right, at the opening, I could have sworn, I mean, there was definitely a buy side imbalance at the opening if I've ever seen one. The closing, we have a huge buy side imbalance with almost, what, a third of the total shares that are imbalanced shares. What this means is that there's more, I mean, at least to my understanding, there's more shares being bought at prices that help the stock go up relative to the movement and their effect on it than shares being sold, if that makes any sense. Basically, just think of it this way, okay? This is not exactly correct, but this is basically what it means. All right, ape language. There's more shares. This is what it means. To move the stock higher, it takes more shares being bought at favorable prices than if it were conversely if it was it's being going lower. Right? It only takes 1,000 shares to move down 1 cent, but it takes 5,000 shares to move up 1 cent. That's not exactly right, but you get what I mean, right? And that's exactly what that buy side imbalance means. 7:21 right now. We got 9 minutes to the close. Ortex will probably update late after hours. 7:22. We're still seeing sporadic buying. I mean, sporadic, relatively sporadic. For Bionano standards, sporadic, right? For AMC standards, this is the most boring time in sales and volume ever, right? Which is justifiable. So yeah. Do you ever see the sell side imbalance? Yeah, but not often. Not often, and that's why I've only seen the sell side. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong here, but in the last few weeks, we've only seen like maximum, okay, I'm being conservative here, maximum 3 sell side imbalances. I think it's 1 or 2. I think I've only seen 1 or 2 sell side imbalances definitely in the last week and the week before that, right? So about what? 16 days, right? I don't know how many trading days that is. I guess 10 or 11. No. Yeah. Well, something like that. Actually, probably more like 4 or 5 weeks, if that makes sense. Market manipulation. Yeah, I know. Yeah, Cody Brett, I've only seen 1. Yeah, exactly, my friends. Fact check me. If I say something wrong, please call me out on it. I know you guys do. the bears, the people that are shorting, they love to call me out when I say something wrong. So you don't have to worry about that, I guess. I remember them run up to Catalyst Day. I know. Back when people used to get excited about a 5-day symposium, now when we get a new presentation announced like today, everyone's like, what? What does that mean, bro? I'm all in on AMC now. Whatever. Nothing wrong with AMC, right? I actually have 1 share of AMC. Literally, I have a share of AMC. I'm in it for the cause. I'm more so just in it just for the hype and just for the fun. Yeah, that's all I'm in it for. The Microvision, however, I am in that. I actually did buy 1 share. I only bought 1 share, but I bought that one because it was actually really auspicious. And today, what is it up? Okay, what are we up? 4%? Yeah, we're up 4.5% on that right now. 7:21. 7 minutes till the close. Do you know Jiva? Well, good question, because they were actually telling me about Jiva earlier, and it actually sounded very interesting. But I don't think I could understand that stuff enough thoroughly enough for me to actually invest in it without spending a lot of time. Right now, I'm researching the nuclear stuff and the uranium mining and the stocks with it, and then I'm also doing the Bitcoin and crypto stuff, and that's on top of all the BNGO videos, of course. So it's like, well. It's on the backlist, right? So, come on, Power Hour 7-minute run. Yeah, I know, right? Today I added BNGO shares. My average is 9.8, 3,000 shares. Legendary. Hell yeah, 3,000 shares. That's better than me. I wish I had 3,000. Heck yeah, man. Heck yeah, average is 9.8. That's not bad. That's not a bad average. Keep these stocks in your hands, guys. I agree. Could not agree more. I added more today. I added, 30 shares? 20 or 30 shares? I forgot exactly. I added something like that today. And I've got a limit order in for 697. As long as we hold above 697, I think tomorrow our chances are pretty good. Obviously, contingent on high growth, of course. Yes, you know the spiel, but still, I kind of do like our setup today, to be honest with you. Yeah, why are the Bears not here? Any Bears show up today? I didn't see any Bears, really. I mean, we saw, what's his name? Somebody came in here and said they were an OG on the channel since 200 subs, but then they said Bionano was overvalued. I don't understand that, but that was interesting. And then we had Marco, the usual stuff. He said it's a pump and dump or whatever, you know, the usual shit from Marco. Is Marco even a bear at this point? Marco's like a unicorn, you know. He's just all over the place. He's a rainbow. Holy. See, this is what I'm talking about, right? It only takes 10,000 shares to go down 2 cents, but we've just seen, even in this stream alone, we've seen similar quantities of buying, and we go nowhere. It's like, well, you know, this is what we mean by the buy side imbalance. You know, this is exactly what we mean. That's exactly what it means. Marco keeps coming back. Yes, 10 to 15 this year, 15 to 20 next, 30 to 40 2023, 50 to 80. And then 2026, 200, 150 to 200. That's pretty reasonable. I think that's realistic. Yeah, I think that's realistic, and I'm happy with that. Honestly, I mean, of course, I want it to be a little bit quicker than that, but I'm fine with that. We'll be doing fine if we hit 10 to 15 this year. Now, obviously, I do think a little bit. I think it's 15 is very likely. 20 is pretty likely. Yeah, that's what I think. Barcoding. We've got barcoding alert, market manipulation alert. If you didn't already know that, I'm sure you and your dog already knew that, right? I mean, it doesn't take a genius to figure out that we're literally, I mean, okay, we already saw it. I'm not even going to go over the example again, but when you drop 30 cents in a millisecond with zero selling and there's no buy side imbalance, you know what that means. That's as simple as it gets. If that is true, with price predictions, I would be happy with it. It would pay for college with little maintenance. Yeah. Yes, 50x in 7 years. Yeah. Yeah, if we're right about the company, if we're right about the fundamental analysis on Bionano, it's going to do great things. It's going to make a lot of people a lot of money. And it's going to lose the bears and the shorts a lot of money because for some reason, BNGO... I mean, I don't really know it. Do you guys think Bionano has a disproportionate amount of bears for BNGO? I don't know. Looks like the whales are out to play. Yeah, we got 3 minutes till the close. Here we go. Let me put the 1 minute chart up. Here we go. Look at let's feast our eyes on that beautiful, not so beautiful, right? More like ugly barcoding that we've got here. The bears, not the bears. Well, the bears and the whales and the toots, whoever is doing this, they're playing with us. They're doing their usual thing. If you're new here, every day at the close, like 5 minutes before the close or something like that, there's always tens of thousands of shares put in the level 2 data. They're acting like they're going to sell and buy, but they, of course, never do. All in on BNGO, Cat, and X. I don't know those other ones. How does margin work? I've never used it. You might want to, my friend. It's not that bad for it if you're the right person for it. Big pharmaceuticals shorting BNGO. Yeah, big pharma. Yep, they have a reason to hate Bionano. Bionano is going to put them out of business. That's as simple as it is. They're going to put them out of business, man. Oh, we've got heavy selling going on right there. Wow, 12,000 sold at 720. Damn. Okay, now we've got heavy buying. Let's see. Here we go. We got about 1 minute, 40 seconds. Here we go. God, this is so... We've literally gone sideways the entire day. since the dump had opened, we've literally gone sideways the whole day. Market manipulation. All right, I shouldn't say market manipulation. Well, I think it is, but barcoding the whole day, right? Literally. 100,000 to be sold at 726. Damn, these freaking whales, man. All fake. I mean, even on the bull side, all of these are fake. Historically, they're always fake. I mean, literally. I'm going to put on the market, on the broader markets here. The Nasdaq's closing up about 1%. Russell's 2% with SPY and Dow are doing amazing. The best day for the markets in a long time. And high growth's getting decimated. Funny how that works. So there better be some big ass orders in here at the close. I mean, I'm sure there will be, but man, there always is. Literally, I mean, the smallest total we've had at the close was about 100,000 ish. Usually it's in the 200,000 to 500,000 range, maybe higher. Right, last Friday we saw 5 million, right? 5 million shares. Here we go. 25 seconds. Here we go. What are your predictions? Everyone is going to predict. I don't even know why I ask for predictions at the close if it's going to be buys or sells, because everyone always says buys. They're almost always right. Almost always. Usually, I mean, about more than 75% of the time in the stream experience, right, which is only like the last month we've been looking at this at the close, but usually, almost always it's buys. Here we go. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I'm thinking buys. Here we go. It's loading. It always does this. It always has to lag because there's so many orders coming in right at the end. Oh, it's still lagging. I'm scared now. This is scaring me. This is scaring me. There it is. There it is. Yep. 400,000, 340,000 added right there. And as well, oh yeah. Yeah, well, not a huge amount of shares added at the close, but yeah, all right, let's add this up. And this is all, and these were all bought. Remember this, okay? All of these shares that were bought, which is going to total about probably 400,000 to 500,000, probably over 400,000 shares added right there at 722. They're bought at 722, and they're helping the price to go up. Remember, if we start bleeding in the after hours, you know, the after hours is a whole nother beast, right? The after hours is wild, but the closing shows no imbalance now. The closing shows no imbalance, okay? We just had 500,000 shares bought right there. We do not even go up 1 cent, and we've had that exact same thing kind of pattern happen throughout this entire thing. We do not have a buy-side imbalance. That's why I don't trust this thing sometimes. Anyways, with that being said, let's go ahead and some of the... Look at that beautiful volume, by the way. Look at that 1 minute candle. It's bigger. Well, I guess it's less than opening, but still, it's pretty. It's still pretty sweet. Anyways, let me recap the day before we lose all of our viewers. So basically, actually, from the technical standpoint, probably the most important thing today is that we bounced off the 21 SMA, that middle Bollinger Band, and we did form a hammer candle on the daily, which is a bullish candlestick pattern. Also, the reason why we're down today is because high growth got absolutely, I don't want to say decimated, but I mean, a lot of shit got decimated, including AMC, SENS, right, Clover, STEM. A lot of stuff got killed, including Bionano, and the markets did absolutely amazing. Okay, the markets did amazing. The fear indexes got killed, but Bionano got killed as well. And the catalyst that we got today, and that's kind of why we got killed, right? The markets did well, high growth did not. And the catalyst we got in the news, the only news that we've got today, besides the short interest going insanely high, of course, that's not even news at this point. Every single day, it's just normal that the short interest is increases. But we also have this doctor here. He's going to be presenting up to genome mapping, yada yada, June 30th. 7 a.m. Pacific time. So we're probably going to be streaming that one. And also the other news, before you leave after this, after you hear this. This is the catalyst for this week. Friday, we have a huge catalyst. I mean, okay, can we just call it a catalyst? Come on, I'm not even going to say potential catalyst. It is a catalyst. Russell 3000 inclusion. We're talking about tens of millions, if not, well, at least millions of shares, probably. I mean, come on, they're going to buy more than a couple 100,000 shares. I guess theoretically they could buy a very small, I guess technically they could buy 1 share, I guess. But they're usually weighted based on their market cap, so it's probably going to be millions or tens of millions, to my understanding, of shares bought of Bionano on Friday at the close, June 25th close, according to the FTSC, Russell.com, whatever website there. So that's going to be more exposure, and obviously all the funds that track the Russell 3000 is going to have to add in Bionano, so that's likely to be good for us. And that's the news for today. And with that being said, I'll show you the portfolio because I know a lot of people are about to leave here. There's the whole portfolio. There you go. I'm now down on my YOLO AMC lotto ticket now. AMC's dying in the after hours, looks like. Hold on, let's check it. Dang. All right. Anyways, that being said, all right, there you go. There's the portfolio. And with that being said, price prediction. What is the actual price prediction, you may ask? I guess no one has asked that so far, I don't think. The price prediction is, I don't really have a price prediction, but I do have a bull case price target price prediction. Bull case is above $8, if not $9 by Friday. Bear case, I don't really see us breaking $7. I mean, we technically already did, but it would take the markets dumping for us to do that, I think. I could be wrong, but very low chance, I think, of us breaking $7. At least, maybe not a very low, but low. I would say low. And the reason why I say that is because fundamentally, we're so much better right now than we've ever been, okay? Ever. People do not understand the business expansion. The CLI lab is literally working on that and working in it right now, most likely. No one knows about this shit. No one knows the quarter 2 revenue is probably going to be pretty, I mean, I don't know for sure, but I think it's looking to be very good. So we'll see. Anyways, with that being said, let's take some questions. Feel free to get out of here now. All right, man, I was expecting more for after hours. Well, after hours just started, didn't it? But yeah, we'll see what we do. Taking my TRCH profits on Friday and putting it into BNGO. We need Viagra. Keep it up, Brandon. Oh, I wish I could just go up now, right? R2, we need to be going up, not down. I wish I could do that. How many Red Bulls do you drink a day? Not enough. Unless we get bought out in the next couple of years. What? Remember me, 2028, it will be at least 300 minimum. Done. We will remember you. You're an OG on the channel, my friend. You've been here for longer than most people have. But yeah, we had a huge buying at the close. Yes, sir. Huge buying. And what happens after the close? Barcoding. You guessed it. Quick, I need a Star Wars quote now. You were supposed to destroy the Sith, not join them. Bring balance to the Force. I was reading that FTSE Russell doesn't sell ETFs or funds. They won't be buying anything. Toots like BlackRock, iShares, and Vanguard have to do the buying. I don't know for sure, so I'm not going to comment, my friend. All right, thanks, Brandon. It's my bedtime now. Let's pray for green rest of the week. Yeah, I know, Gil. Fair enough. I'll do the same. I'll do the same thing, my friend. My favorite quote, dude. I'm gonna swear to God, I'm gonna rewatch Star Wars these next few days, and you're gonna hear a ton more Star Wars quotes from me. Cause I'm out. I just got to the end of Game of Thrones again. I just rewatched it for. I rewatched it a fair amount of times. Probably like, I don't know, but. My prediction for tomorrow, before we start going to the Game of Thrones rabbit hole, right before we do that, let's do the price prediction for tomorrow. Tomorrow, price prediction for BNGO is, it just depends on high growth. But here, can I give you a bull and bear case? I know it sucks. It sucks that I can't really, to be honest with you, I don't really have a strong opinion on what it's going to be tomorrow. Because I don't know. I don't think anyone in the world can just predict what the price is going to be tomorrow. And it's still a good question. I understand why you say that, but here's the thing. If my fundamental analysis is right, we're gonna moon, but there's no way of telling when, right? Even if the nano nozzle is gonna come out in the next few years and it's gonna be as good as we think, and literally we're gonna be profitable by 2022, 2023 maximum, right? Even if that happens, we could go down tomorrow and people would still freak out and blame me for it, right? So it's just hard for me to say, but I'll give you this. Bull case $8, bear case. Realistically, tomorrow, I'll say, realistically, I don't see us breaking 7. I would take the markets really just getting, it would take high growth decimation. Decimation is what it would take, I think. I mean, or it could just be stupidity and manipulation, but I just don't think we're going to. We definitely could, though. We definitely could. I don't know. We'll see. I hope you got something out of that. Probably not. May the green be with you. Obi-Wan comes in, like you just see Obi-Wan floating in the background, right? The Force will be with you, Luke. Is there any way the Russell 3000 has the buyers lined up most likely, or no way to know? The buyers lined up? I don't think so. I don't know. Oh, sellers lined up. Okay, that makes more sense now. No. There's no way for us to know that. And if they were, I don't think that's possible. No. Very unlikely. I mean, I guess since it's so many shares, I guess maybe. Probably not, though. I don't think they have to worry about that. The system is so good. I don't think they have. Even if they're going to do the FDT increase short term, they'll be fine. They'll find a buyer, most likely. I must be the only one who hasn't seen Game of Thrones. Am I really missing out? Yes, you are. You should. I mean, if you're a normal person and if you're a normal person, yeah, you'll love Game of Thrones most likely. But don't watch season 8. $5 bear case. $5 is like, dude. I mean, I don't see us hitting $5. I don't see it fucking happening. I mean, I guess we could. We certainly could. I said yesterday that I said we're gonna go green most likely if the markets go red, and the exact thing that I said was gonna happen the exact opposite of what I thought was gonna happen yesterday happened today. So, but I still I don't. $5. It's market correction, high growth obliteration is the only way I see it happening, but it could happen. Cheers, I'm a normal person, lol. Make sure you watch the last 2 seasons of Star Wars: The Clone Wars. Oh yeah. Yeah, I remember you saying to do that, or someone. Yeah, I think it was you. Somebody said the last 2 seasons of The Clone Wars. Yeah, maybe I'll have to. The earnings of Nano Dimension will be much weaker than BNGO earnings. Yeah, it will. Dude, it's an insult. You guys know I don't have I don't have anything specifically against Nano Dimension, but I just hate that people have the audacity to think that Nano Dimension should be valued near Bionanos, which is it's fine. It's fine. I could be wrong about the company, I guess, but. It's just, it's like, It's very possible for BNGO to touch $4 again, but as a BNGO bull, I am 1,000% okay with that. More buying opportunities, and frankly, if it do hit $4 again, I think it'll never hit that again. I don't think it will. Yeah, $4 is insanity. I mean, you have to here's the thing. You have to think about the context, right? At the time of us on May 13th, right, we didn't have the quarter two earnings. We didn't know that all milestones were on track. We didn't have the new CCO, the new CBO. We didn't have the China Sapphire sales. We're likely to get a new quarter two revenue beat here. We also got the nano nozzle stuff that was in the end of May, more patents, and we got CLIA labs. The CLIA lab is confirmed, okay? They wouldn't be hiring for it if it wasn't confirmed. They literally, we're talking about job postings here. Of course, no one knows what the hell that is because they're like, oh, it's overvalued, right? They don't do the research. So I get pissed off too easily. But it's just, I don't see anyone talking about the good stuff for Bionano. I only see bad stuff. It's like, I don't know. What do they say? We're overvalued, just no reason, right? Dogmatic shit. You can't, it's because you don't have a good reason why we're overvalued. Oh, high shares outstanding. Dude, there's so many other companies that has a high shares outstanding. Do you know what a share buyback program is? Do you know we got $360 million in cash? Like, I hate the people. I hate them. Hey, but people like that, I actually love them in the same time, though. Love-hate relationship, right? Because they actually give me a chance to buy low, and that's how we actually make money, right? All right, might load up on TRCH now till Friday to grab the dividend. Oh, right, there's that dividend actually going on there, I've heard, yeah. Y'all forgot that we were in a market where no one cares until they do. Yeah, well, I guess, yeah, even with this sell-off since February 16th, even with that, the sentiment and the people that invest in the stock market right now are just like, moon or nothing. What the heck is going on with Microvision, by the way? Why the heck is Microvision down 2%? Did something just drop? Something must have just dropped. There had to be. Somebody tell me if Microvision just dropped news. We can go check that out here in a little bit if you want. There are only some percent of the shares left to borrow. Yeah, going lower is going to be hard. Yes. The utilization is very high. Put a good Anakin Skywalker Star Wars quote for you and a Discord meme for you when we start a moon. Just need to Photoshop you in a little. Oh, you have it ready then? Oh, this one right here. Yeah, I saw this. This is good. I haven't, yeah. Hey, let's watch this. This is where the fun begins. Oh, yeah, this is where the fun begins, yes. I like that quote. This is where the fun begins. There we go. Viewers are gone. Makes sense. Makes a lot of sense. Everyone asks how BNGO at No One Never out. How's Brandon? Well, crying on a red day. That's how I am. It's all right. We're down 5%, but hey, man, you have to remember. Buying opportunity. Be greedy when others are fearful. Be greedy when others are fearful, my friends. We need to be going up, not down in the after hours. What the hell is going on with Microvision? The volatility is there. What is going on? Somebody tell me. I guess there's no news there. Very weird. You don't typically see a sell-off like this if there's no news. I would bet this is going to be news. Let me check the subreddit. All right, last minute questions. What price did you get your shares today? Yeah, I think you bought in the daily low. So if so, no, nice job. No, I think today I added like 50. I added like 20 shares. I don't remember. Here, let me see. I don't think it was a very good price. Okay, well, that's actually not bad. 719. 30 shares at 719. That's not bad. I thought it was worse than that. Yeah, 719 is where I added at. Yeah, no, I didn't really get very close to 693. I wish I did. Actually, I did. I did have an order in for 693. It got close. It didn't really get close after I put it in, though. So I put an order in for like 690 or like 695 or something right after it went down here. And then right when I hit order, it was like, nope, see ya. That was fun. Anyways, yeah, I don't care. I've got enough shares. I mean, I want to get more shares, but I have enough right now. So, all right, we can go on and on about it, but Bionano will ultimately speak for itself. Earnings, sales, study results, great year for the company. It will prove itself with each earnings call. I agree. Oh yeah, let us know about your mark meeting tomorrow. Yeah, I think we're gonna do that. I don't know if we're gonna do it tomorrow or Wednesday. Yeah, I gotta tell him. Yeah, I guess we'll do it tomorrow. I don't know, but yeah, we're gonna. Yeah, if anyone doesn't know this, we are, I'm meeting. I don't know if we're going to film a video about this. I guess we will with my phone, which I'm going to have to somehow send it in as a file to my computer, which I'll figure it out, I'm sure. But we're going to, I don't know. I don't know how, but I'm going to meet a guy who has $7 million in Bionano. He has a million shares at average cost of 2, and he is legit. So take a photo of his shares. I already have one. Any clue when the quarter 2 earnings call will happen? Well, basically, we're looking at mid-August, most likely. BNGO was literally outperforming the Russell the last 2 days. People freak out with 1 day of a cool down. I know. It's like, it doesn't matter how far up we go. It doesn't matter. People will freak out, and I get it. It's just what happens. I understand, but it's still, don't tell me it's not perplexing. I mean, of course, there's new investors out there, but it's never going to fail. There's always going to be, especially with Bionano, every single red day, there are people that are freaking panic selling, and there are people that are blaming the shit in they're complaining in the chat. Should I sell? Whatever. Okay, we didn't really get much of that today, actually, but I remember May 13th. I got direct messages. I actually got a funny story. Well, not really. Pretty sad, actually. Pretty sad story right here. Literally, I think it was the day before. I kid you not. I am not making this up. This is a true story. Okay? I'm not going to show you the proof because the person would... Okay, that's sad. Okay, I'm not going to show the person. But basically, someone messaged me that literally the day before we started going way up. And they told me they can't take it anymore. They said, I can't take it anymore. I'm done. I'm selling. Literally the day after they sold, we started going up. What did we go up from? $5 to $7. So we went up like 20 to 30%. They could have sold way higher, and nope. And we get those kind of experiences. When you actually incur one of those, the new investors, it helps you. You can't have a green day without having red ones. I agree. He posted he was on his way to Missouri. Hello, I bought thousands of dollars of shares. What do you think? Price will increase or not? Geez, I hope you know what you're doing. I hope you're not looking to me for validation, or confirmation bias. But I think that if the markets go up, I think high growth will rebound. I think Bionano will rebound in a big way. But the chart looks like a riptide. Does the down channel have more juice than the uptrend? Will it be really wacky when they collide here? Yeah, you should have asked that before buying. Yeah. About do I think the price is going to increase? It's mostly just. I mean, I hate to tell you this. I have to break it to you. Essentially, Bionano's price. Of course, sometimes the market is irrational. Sometimes people like Bionano. Sometimes people hate it. But typically, whatever high growth does, Bionano is going to do. To some point, right? It's going to be more volatile, but or sometimes less, but that's just what it is. And on a day like today, where the markets are up a ton and high growth is down, it does not make much sense to sell right now, in my mind. But, we could eat cake. Market's correct. Bionano will Bionano will get killed. Bionano will go down 20 to 30%. I guess maybe more than that, but I don't see more than that. If the markets really do get killed. Like, I'm talking about a broader market, like 20%, 15% correction. Like, I'm talking 15% red from now. If that were to happen, Bionano would get killed. What the hell is what the heck? What is hold on, I gotta go to the subreddit right now. What is going on? Dang it. What is Microvision doing? I have one share, and it's, what the heck? Let's go here. Let's go to the, is there no lounge in here? Let's just go to new. Whoa. Okay. Oh, no. Yeah, all right. I see why we're going down now. $140 million worth in the of the offering. That's how much they can sell or make, I guess. Registration fee is $15,000. Okay, automatic shelf registration statement. Offering. We've got an offering. Looks like we've got an offering. Sales agreement with these people right here. They can sell up to $140,000 of shares. Or 140 million. Sorry, not 140,000. 140 million. Wow. Okay, that's the value. Okay, so that's not as bad as I thought. Okay. Well, hold on. I got to read the rest of this. Well, whatever. I'll read it. Y'all don't care. Y'all don't care about microvision, do you? Dang. What the? This is dated February 16th. I care. Mark is what he goes by on Yahoo Finance Channel BNGO. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Oh, yeah, this is ugly. Oh, it's still going down. Dang. Hold on. Do y'all really want me to read this right now? I feel like we shouldn't, but what do you call it? Let me know your last minute questions, and then we're gonna get out of here. But yeah, microvision is getting killed. Microvision is getting killed. Did you like the Nasdaq's close? I didn't actually see. I've not actually looked at the Nasdaq's close yet. Ooh. Wait, hold on. Oh yeah, well, I do like what I like the Nasdaq overall. I like what it's doing. I've already went over that, but yeah. This is crazy. This is crazy. Seeking strategic alternatives, including a potential sale or merger of the company, sale part of the company. The offering. Okay, here you go. Okay, here you go. Offering price is $20 per share. What is microvision at right now? What the hell? Why? Okay, I'm about to buy some. I'm about to buy some. Hold on, I gotta read more of this, but I'm about to buy. I might have to actually buy a little bit. At an assumed public offering price of $20 per share, last reported price of our common stock on June 15th. The actual number of shares issued will vary depending on the sales price of shares sold in this offering at the market offering that may be made from time to time. The net proceeds, general corporate expenses, yada yada. Interesting that they did an offering right now. Kind of scary that they did an offering right now, as if they thought the stock price would never get up here again. I don't know why they wouldn't do it. I guess June 15th is when they tried, or when it technically happened, but still, why didn't they do it way up here? Yeah, we're down. Microvision's down 10% right now. I'm about to buy. Oh, I'm about to buy some. About to buy some. Hold on, I gotta map out a support level here. Hold on. Oh, please go down more. Please go down more. 4 hourly. Okay, there you go. There's your support line right there. Yeah, okay, there's your support line. All right, here we go. Hold on, I gotta read more of this. I don't want to do it. I don't want to give you guys a bad example of buying a stock based on when you barely even read the whole document. Okay. To be outstanding after this offering is 157 million. Let's say microvision need Viagra. I know. I know. Oh, it's still going. It's still going. Oh, it's breaking through the 200-day MA on the 4 hourly. I mean, this could be a false breakdown easily. It probably is, but man. And people, I think, in my opinion, I think people always here, risks relating to this offering. Okay, here we go. Broad discretion in the use of net proceeds may not use them effectively. And management and the board, okay, yada yada. Proceeds in ways that do not necessarily improve our results of operations. Damn. This is insanity. This is insanity, man. Let's read what these guys are saying. Oh, well, I guess it's not a lounge. Where's the live chats on here? They don't have any live chats on here for some reason, man. Dang. All right, let's see what they're saying. Let's see what they're saying. How do I feel about this right now? I'm a hot little potato. Oh, man. No, they're selling, what is it? No, they're selling, how many shares was it? They're selling, they're selling up to 6 million shares at an offering price of $20 per share, it looks like. To my understanding. Up to $140 million. Woo, that's a big one. That's a big one. Oh, it's down 15%. Okay, here we go. All right, I'm putting an order in. I'm putting an order in at the 50% retracement level. No, don't go up yet. No, don't go up yet. Don't go up yet. No, hold on. Let me buy the dip real quick. Hold on. I'll do like a kind of real trade. I'll put a little bit of money in there. No. It's going up without me. No, did I miss the dip? No. It's going up 12% down right now. This is insane. And I always think, hey, it's my belief that people always overreact. Almost in the aggregate, people overreact with the fucking offerings all the time. Okay, they always do. They always, oh no, diluting the shares. We're gonna go to zero. It's like, oh my gosh, Microvision has the offering, and it's literally, I'm trying to get my shares in right here. No. Here's the thing. They're doing it at an offering price of like $20 a share, so it's insanity. To my understanding, it also says it's an at-the-market offering that may be made from time to time. Okay, gotcha. So yeah, to my understanding, it's at $20 per share. That's where the offering is. And we're below that right now. It's like, what? I don't like the word. Don't get me wrong, though. I don't like the wording of this document, how they worded it here at all, based on what I've seen on the, on what they're using it or whatever. Where do we read that? I don't know. Here, let me just scroll down and see if there's anything else. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I don't like how vague. Okay, here we go. Hold on. Assume public offering per price. Yeah, $20. Dude, hold on. I got to get a couple shares in here. No. Stop going up without me, bro. Oh. I'm not chasing, though. I'm not one to... I'm a stubborn bastard. You guys have to understand, I'm a stubborn bastard when it comes to buying the dip. If I don't get it, I'll let it run without me. He posted he isn't coming. What the heck? What? This is insanity. Go down again, bro. Go down again. Come on. BNGO's down in the after hours as well. They don't even have... I mean, they have a lot. They have a lot of shares outstanding. They definitely do. Yeah, where are you seeing that? Shaw. Shaw. Yeah, Mr. Shaw. Where? Yeah, can you send me that? Here, maybe you send me a text. Let me see. No, he didn't. What the heck, man? This is crazy. Yes, go down. Yes. Yes. He just posted that he isn't coming to Missouri. Yeah, Microvision just had an offering here. Let me change the title of the stream because I guess BNGO is done, right? Microvision offering. No. The thumbnail does not match up at all. Here, let me change the thumbnail as well real quick. Hold on. This didn't take 5 seconds. Hold on. Let's change the thumbnail to a Microvision one. Well, not really Microvision, but here. Let's do Easy 2X. Oh, where is it? Oh, no. Where? No. Hold on. I'm losing viewers. Okay, here we go. Done. Okay, boom. Save. All right, done. On Yahoo BNGO conversation, Yahoo Finance. Still think BNGO 9 this week. I think that's the bull case. Yeah, I think that's a realistic bull case. Yeah, I do. Absolutely. Look at the volume in there, dude. So many people bought the dip here. Oh my god, I missed it. Oh, I was this close again. TRCH is running again. Oh yeah, it is. Oh baby, this is an interesting after hours. Dang it, man. If you want some crazy viewers, change your title now to Microvision is going to zero. Get out now. All right, here we go. Done. All right, done. I will. Microvision is going to zero. Microvision is going to zero. Offering news. Sell now or else. Hold on. Stay with me. Sell now or else. And then I'm going to do a ton of dots and then This may be a joke. Okay, yeah. Dang it, Microvision. Dang it, this could have been the one chance that we had to get in, that I had to get in. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. That was crazy, dude. It was such a good day for Microvision, too. And then it's just, nope. I mean, it makes sense, case an offering, but damn, you know? Wow. We just got the bullish flip. Damn, man. Dang it, I'm mad. I wanted to get in there. Let's read the rest of this, if we can. Legal matters. Let's just skim this thing. Yeah, they can still sell more. Can barely see this. Yeah, but if anyone's just getting it right now, let me go back up this chart here. So yeah, here you go. The public offering price is $20 per share, and it's up to 140 million. That's the most that they can sell, and it's like, what is it? 6 million shares they're gonna sell? Up to, isn't it? Didn't it say that up there? It's not saying it right here, but I think it's 6 million shares. Yeah. Dilution per share to new investors in this offering, 1918. All right. We've got no viewers. We've lost viewers since we made the Microvision title. Wait, what? Makes no sense. Down 10% right now. Come on, come down, you bitch. Come down. You're running without me, man. Oh, man. I'm mad. All right, last minute questions. Let's get out of here. How is the Newsweek meet? We have not met him yet, but that's going to happen tomorrow, I think. Maybe Wednesday? Yeah. All right, guys, let's get out of here. There's no news. Bionano's doing nothing after hours. I put a buy at 1647, no luck. Thought we would see close to 20% drop on crazy lower volume after hours like that. Oh, man. I missed the dip by like what? Like not even 30 seconds. Whatever. Okay, long-term, my portfolio only. Long-term, I don't even care about the portfolio. It's literally just what BNGO does. But, you know, still, it's pretty maddening because I've watched Microvision go up for a while now and wanted to get in on this for a while. I mean, I can't complain because I technically literally timed it perfectly because of mostly, I mean, it was a good entry, but it was mostly luck. I literally got in like the 2 days before or 1 day before it started skyrocketing. And we made a lot of good money off that. And I have not been, I sold out of this a while ago. When did I sell out? Where did I sell out? I sold out, I don't even know. Sometime in April, I think. Damn, yeah, it's gone without me. It's gone without me. Hopefully we get rejected up here. hopefully he gets rejected and it starts going back down again. You should have bought some at 17 and rest for 16.58. I know. I wish I would have. Okay, viewers are gone. All right, it looks like everyone's gone now. Okay, so let's get out of here. All right, guys. Thank y'all so much. All right, guys. Thank y'all so much, man. Since there's no last minute questions, I'll leave you with this right here. That's the whole portfolio right there. Both of my trades. Both of the trades we did were down a huge amount. Microvision, we were up like, what, 5%, 4% before the after hours, and now that trade is just, you know, that's gone. AMC trade, that's just literally a gambling ticket. But yeah, that's the whole portfolio. That's the whole history, and there you go. With that being said, thank y'all so much. This is not financial advice. All right, man. God, it's down 8% right now, man. Wow, it's already up so much already. All right, anyways, thank y'all so much, man. This is not financial advice. I'll see y'all in the next one.